Namaskar. Today, let's talk about weight loss and fat burning. So many times I have met students who want to join yoga classes because they think it will help them burn fat. Physical fitness is only one aspect of yoga, but most of the time students think they can burn fat with lots of physical activities. You see, physical movement is necessary to burn fat, but did you know that the food we eat also plays a big role in fat loss? The food you eat also determines how much fat you burn and also how fast you burn fat. What if I told you that you can make a super bowl and add a detox drink for yourself at home which can help you burn fat? Yes, it is possible. And you can do so with healthy, fresh, organic ingredients. This super bowl is full of protein rich mung beans. Mung beans are high in protein and they are plant based. It has fiber and antioxidants. Protein, fibers, and antioxidants, all three of them support fat metabolism and digestion. Studies also show that a protein rich diet boosts metabolism by 15 to 30% compared to fat or carbs. This happens because protein demands more energy for digestion, creating a natural calorie burning effect. This fat burning super bowl also has ginger. Ginger is known to stimulate metabolism, improve digestion, and reducing bloating. It also has red rice. Red rice is a whole grain that provides sustained energy and helps you feel full longer. This means you won't be tempted to eat unhealthy snacks and gain weight. So now let us look at how to make this fat burning super bowl. Half cup of sprouted mung beans, 1/4 cup cooked red rice, half sliced cucumber, half grated carrots, half thinly sliced zucchini, 1 chopped tomato, 5 to 6 soaked overnight almonds, half teaspoon grated fresh ginger, a handful mint leaves, juice of half lemon. So now let's understand how to make this bowl. Take a large bowl. At the bottom of the bowl, put a layer of this cooked red rice at the base. Next, add sprouted mung beans at the top of this rice. Now let's arrange the veggie. Cucumber, grated carrot, chopped tomato, and sliced zucchini. Then let's sprinkle some freshly grated ginger for a metabolism boost, and then add soaked almonds for a crunch and a healthy fat. Finally, garnish with fresh mint leaves and squeeze the juice of half lemon over the top. Now mix everything well. Try to include this fat burning meal as one of the meal in a day. You can substitute sprouted mung beans with other plant-based proteins like tofu or chickpeas. You also include whole grain millets and quinoa instead of red rice to bring variety into your super bowl. And if you really want to reduce fat, drink this powerful detox wheatgrass lemonade. And to make this lemonade, you need wheatgrass juice, fresh or powdered, 2 tablespoon juice or 1 teaspoon powder, lemon juice 1 teaspoon, fresh ginger 1 small piece grated, honey 1 teaspoon optional, water 1 cup. The steps to make this detox lemonade are: if you are using fresh wheatgrass, juice it in a blender or juicer. Strain to get a smooth liquid. Mix wheatgrass juice or powder with water. Add lemon juice, ginger, and honey. Drink fresh on an empty stomach. This wheatgrass lemonade boosts metabolism and help in burning fat. It also detoxifies liver and blood and improves your digestion and energy level. All these benefits can help you really to lose fat with this detox drink. So commit to consume this super bowl and the detox drink once a day to give your fat loss journey a power boost. Remember, controlling what you eat is a mark of a disciplined mind. Commit to caring and nurturing your body with this fat burning Super Bowl and detox drink and become the best version of yourself. Namaskar.